I got these 6 championship rings because I ball on these motherfuckers. You know what I'm talking about? They ain't ready. Out here wilding. Look at this. That's a $200,000 piece right there. You know how I got that? I don't even know how I got it. I was drunk as fuck. I woke up, this in my mailbox. You know why? Because the money motherfucking calling. I don't even need them racks. You know why? Because I got that Kings jersey on. I got this straight out the fucking flea market. Because you know that's what rappers do. Look at these chains, dog. Look at these chains. Look at my face tat. That's how you know this shit is real. Motherfuckers. Lil Glock ain't funny, dude. Yo, what's your bitch? Hey, you see me gleaming right now? You see this shit? You know what I'm talking about? Look at this. Look at that ice. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I'm gonna eat your bitch.
I can't wait to put this out. I can't wait. I can't wait.
What goes around comes around. What goes around comes around.
Cooking soul.
I'm just vlogging right now, though, you know.
Yeah, I know. Let's see. Let me get my rings out.
Hairspray going. Ty, get over here. Ty, you hear me? Look at this guy. Come here. Stop being so creepy all the time. And here's Mike on the game. Riff Raff's little brother right here.
Yo. Money calling. I ain't got time for these. Nope. Let me check my other watch. Hold on. Hold on. Nope. Still ain't got time for these. Nope. You ready? Shake it again. Nope. Still ain't got no time for these. Nope. Got no time. No time for these. Want me to y'all again? Nope. Still no more time for these. I wish I did. I wish I had the time for these.
All right. We out here, you know what I'm saying? Had a good shoot with my boy Alex. You know, wild young man right here. Lil Glock in the flesh. I ain't want to say nothing. I just want to say I've had a good day so far, and this video is going to be awesome. And, Mike!
Don't record me, mom.
I'm going to just play my game, bro. Let's go! Bruh. It's been about almost 10 years. My boy Darrell from high school. I've been on this man since middle school. Right. We played trombone together.
When I was first chair.
He think he was first chair. He might have been first chair once. And now my boy work at Google.
Hey, Google gang. All
Google
day,
gang. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of gang shit.
You know, boy got the. Hold on. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something, man. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something real quick. You know,
the keys on it.
We ain't talking no small dollars around here. You know, my boy made it, man.
Hey, I'm still trying to make it, man.
Hey, look, A&M grad, got a good job, bro. How do you work at Google? You feel me?
Oof.
If you ain't made it from working at Google, then
I'm trying to own Google, bro.
Okay, see, he thinking like me. That's what I'm talking about.
Working there.
I just want to say I'm proud of my boy on camera. You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate it.
You know, we young, we living, and it's just the beginning. Big Panda. You know what I'm saying? Boys got it ripped. Is this a thing? Like, I feel like all A&M grads, like y'all have to have it. You have to have it.
You have to represent, man.
Is this the house with the blessing in it? Is this it? Oh, you trash. How did the other guys... I'm shooting at the wrong body. We live?
We kind of live.
Alright, man, you know we out here. I don't know where we at. We in Cairo somewhere. About to film some stuff. Mike behind the camera, per usual. I'm surprised he ain't said nothing yet, you know, but eventually he will.
Bro, this focus is killing me.
Turn it up a little more phone. Killing nigga with the club phone. She remember me from 03. Skinny nigga in the Sean Jones. I don't miss really, I'm Steph Curry. Now that Sean Jones is Burberry. I ain't that tall, but the mind ain't that small.
Wanna say hi to the camera? Look at the camera.
That was golden. That was great.
She's a savage, bro. You just don't know.
I can already tell.
Faster, a little faster. All right, right there. There we go. Yeah, flags up high, flags up high. Yeah. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Keep it running, keep it going, keep it going, keep it running. I'm so glad they decided to do this early. It ain't that hot. I don't know if I've explained everything that's going on, but pretty much this is a commercial. It's like a patriotism commercial. The guy who owns this whole thing is Chris. His brand is Freedom Hard. You might have seen it on Facebook. He does a lot of patriotic stuff. So call me out. This is a commercial. A lot of flags, a lot of freedom. You know, just all around good time. You know. Yeah. Are you a vet? No. I'm just a camera guy, you know, just a young camera guy that likes to shoot, so, and I'm good at what I do, so.
You alright?
You have your own business?
Yeah, this is my business.
That's awesome.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Patriotism is at an all-time low.